Yeah, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to inscribe a circle in any sector. And the first step is to bisect the angle. So this angle, this line AB, so we'll bisect the angle by making use of the line AB. So now we're going to bisect this angle at the center of this sector. So this is the procedure. So we go. This is the bisection process. Now the next step is to draw a tangent to meet the arms extended at C and D. So what you need to do is you basically draw a line perpendicular to this line. So just put your set square beside it and put your ruler and adjust your ruler till the ruler falls on the line. Then in this case we are going to draw a line below. So then we'll draw tangents. We'll extend them. We extend it out. So we extended the one side of the sector. Now the next step is to bisect one of the angles to determine the center of the required circle. So now this isn't extend to the right, so I'll bisect this one. Yeah. So bisect one of these angles to determine the center of the required circle. So this circle is going to be in this sector. So I'll cut the left side. Then move on to cut the right. Then I'll draw a line through this intersection to pass through the center of the circle. There we go. And then at the end of the day, I can draw the circle now. So just open to the to that point below. Then you draw your circle. So this is the process. Here is the circle. So this is actually fitted. That shows that this is the correct construction. So if it didn't fit, that means this won't have been a correct construction. So this is circle and it is inside the sector. So this is sector here. The circle is inside the sector. Thanks for watching.